Utate ngani ngani wami. Utate wetu, utate ugupi. Uyagupi, uyagupi, uyagupi. Utate ngani ngani wami. Utate wetu, utate. Autumn, when I first started to write my column, leaves were falling down to the ground, making no sound but the sound of silence. Leaving me with a sound sense of loneliness. Yes, apparently meaningless unless you take it as a stream of consciousness rather than rare, or just a map of my intimate feelings. To the bleedings of the ones of my heart, you're going to take part, and I'll tell everything just right from the start. I figure out how you realize that word is an art, politics uses a dance. How do they dress their inner intentions as mere divine intervention? Not to mention the manipulation of lifelong conceptions, like trade union member. And up to December, my whole life will be sore. This and 10,000 times more is the core of what you mean to me. You're my reverie, and now that you've finally gone to South Africa, now that you've become my closest aquatic, I want you to take this with you. So this chant will sound cool, but the promise we'll meet in the land of Zulu, the land of Zulu. kaninganiwa mi utate wetu utate